Hello friends. Today we have an ACER tablet for repair. You can see the full name on the screen now. In this video I will change the USB socket. It seems to be torn off. The tablet does not charge. Let's disassemble it and see what happened there. Black, green, blue, yellow. I see that the USB is loose. Now let's look at it under a microscope. It seems that this tablet came to me for repair, and it seems with the same problem. Last time I replaced the USB, but now I see that it is intact, only the legs were torn off. Therefore, it will be enough to solder it. As you can see, the tablet is charging. Now you need to assemble it. Done, friends. The tablet is charging. I hope the video was useful. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next videos.